Sirhome Improvements has installed windows for homes since 1980. Since then, we've earned a reputation for being one of the best in the home improvement business. The materials we use and the craftsmanship of our installers produce top-quality results that last a lifetime. In preparation for a window installation, our installers remove the window sashes, which also requires the removal of the blind stops. These are the wood pieces on the outside of the window that hold the sashes in place. In addition, many older windows may require the removal of weights inside the window frames. Next, the installer drills holes in the side of the frame and fills the cavity with urethane insulation. This is the same material that's used to insulate the door in your refrigerator. We use the same product to prevent air from penetrating your home. After insulating the old window frame, the installer sets the new window into place, makes sure it's level, and secures it with screws. Most of the work during the window installation is done on the outside of the home, so the inside is not disturbed. Once the new window is in place, the installer again uses urethane insulation to completely seal it to ensure that the window is 100% weather-tight. During the final step, the window is sealed with a custom aluminum wrap for an exact fit. After the window is in place, the installer seals the inside to make sure there's a uniform seal and that everything looks nice and neat. All of our installers use tarps when working inside and outside and clean up their worksite before completing the job. Our window installers at Sirhome Improvements take pride in their work. This, along with excellent training and years of experience, help to ensure your 100% satisfaction. If you care about having the job done right, let us help you with your next window project. It just might be one of the best choices you've ever made.